my gosh, look at the view for lunch. The host, Mary T, thank you. Hello everyone, this is my dad. Dali, hello everyone.
Hello everyone.
Hello everybody. Ito.
Carbo loading starts now. That's the view. This is the face of Busog. Ang gwapa mo kayo siya. Salamat isa paniud to ha. Og si Tito na kinakusgan jud. Og si Achi.
Nagpatutlak.
Ina din, hi everyone. Hi everyone, I'm here. May mga kakulay ako dito. Hi! Hello!
Hi!
OMG, I can't believe we're here. 364. Mama Daisy! Hello guys. Hi everyone. I'll be part of relay team. This is my swimmer.
Di ba ako ready? Kinakabahan ako.
Ate Chen! Say hi! Saan kayo? Relay team. Swimming by Asha.
Hello.
Bike by Sander. Busy si Sander. Got my brace.
Official na. Bawal na mag-back out.
Ana.
Bawal na mag-back out.
Now walking. Just finished my registration. Wee! Triathletes on the go. Oh my gosh, para akong nasa Ikaw Lang Ibigin taping. But this is so legit. Like, oh my God, run! Bawal nang umatras. Let's go! Actually guys, ito lang po talaga yung pinunta ko dito. Yung matatuan po ako sa noo. I'm so excited! Tattoo!
Nakita mo nga nandito ni Kim.
Now walking papunta dun sa run transition. Mama Daisy! Hi! Oh my God, guys! Nakakita na ako na inspiration to run tomorrow. Hi, I'm Kim Chu.
I'm Zian Lim.
Bye! And look who's here also.
Hello everybody.
Hi everybody! Medyo X-rated yung ano mo. Dapat ganyan lang.
Good luck, Kim.
Hello everyone! So magsisimula na ang Tiger Shark event. Ay hindi pala, Cobra pala. Cobra. Wala palang Tiger Shark. Akala ko ako pa rin si Bianca eh. Yan na. Bukas na po. Visit the Lola Deer, Sissy Kami, and Adi Heidi.